Hello everyone, it's Christine here and I am back for our stitch along and we are going to be working on scroll stitch. So I have stitched out the name of scroll stitch using some of my Milford satin 2-ply 50-gram thickish Pele cotton or a crochet cotton or a knitting cotton, not sure which it is. And then I've threaded up my needle with some more of it. I did that using a split stitch and we're going to now do scroll stitch. So scroll stitch is also known as single knotted line stitch, and it's great for borders. So I thought I might just work it along. It does suggest drawing a line. I'm just going to follow the sort of line along the middle of the fabric. So I might even start a bit further along. Let's maybe start about here. And so I'm going to make myself a loop, and I'm going to take my loop like this, so going up and then around in a clockwise direction, and then I'm going to insert my needle on my little line pointing upwards. So I'm just taking a little nibble out of the fabric, so I've just taken my needle in and out, and I'm going to tighten my thread around the needle, hold that in place, pull the thread tightly, hold it in place, and I'm going to let a knot form there. And then we're going to repeat that process, so making a knot with the thread and then coming along about the same distance and putting a little stitch in place, always making sure that your needle is atop the knot at this point. You're then going to tighten your thread up firmly around the loop and pull it through so that you get your little scrolly knotted stitch. So again, we'll make our loop the loop. We'll come along our line about the same distance, put our little nibble stitch in about there, tighten up our thread around the needle and then pull through, and you'll get your little knot. And then we'll do the same again, making our loop, going along, putting our little nibble stitch in, tightening it up and pulling through. And we'll make our next knot, so always going clockwise with your knot. Nibble, pull tight and pull through. Do the notch. Pull tight and pull through. Another little nibble stitch, pull tight and pull through, and then make your loop again clockwise. So it's Sunday afternoon here when I'm filming this, and we decided not to go to the beach today, but we went up into the Dandenongs, into the hills here, and went to lovely gardens that we like to visit with Travis the dog. And this time it was really lovely because normally it's quite a busy and popular place, even for sort of tourists to town to go to, but it was super quiet there. Even when we were leaving, where normally the car park would be sort of starting to get tricky for people to get their parks, there was hardly anyone there. So I'm not sure what was happening in Melbourne today, that everyone was, not at the gardens, unless people are Christmas shopping. I don't know. We don't go in for big Christmas shopping. I like to make gifts for people, and then we just keep it about getting together and sharing sharing a meal together. So there you go, that is scroll stitch. So at the end it's as simple as taking your thread to the back and then just tying it off at the back. So I hope you like that one, and yeah, great little border stitch, and enjoy having a play with that. Thanks everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow for seed stitch, and I've got a rather fun base that I'm going to be doing it on, so stand by for that one. Thanks everyone, bye.